grade children method, page 44, part 2. We'll be doing exercises 2 and 3. Okay, and then we'll also be doing exercise 4. Alright, so underline each verb phrase and identify the verb tense by writing number 1 for present tense, a 2 for past tense, and a 3 for future tense. Write the past tense form in regular or irregular. So the children are building a gigantic snowman. What is the verb phrase? Are building. Present, past, or future? Present, number 1. Past tense would be what? Built. Regular, irregular. Okay. Technically, they changed the spelling, but according to them, it's regular. Okay, so we'll just go with what they say. An orange bulldozer pushes dirt off the road. What's the verb phrase? Pushes. Present, past, or future? Present. What is the past tense? Pushed. Regular, irregular. The travelers were going home by plane. What is the verb phrase? We're going. Present, past, or future? Past. Number 2. So past tense. Went. So irregular. We drink ice water during our ball game. What is the verb phrase? Drink. Present, past, or future? Present. Number 1. Past tense. Drink. Regular, irregular. Okay. You guys are going to do 5, 6, and 7 for homework. So go ahead and circle this so I know that's what you guys do for homework. All right, change the underlined present tense verbs in paragraph 1 to past tense verbs in paragraph 2. The commotion at my house this morning. What's the past tense? Reminded me of 1 hour in the monkey cage at the zoo. My alarm clock rang 30 minutes late. Then my sisters hogged. How do I spell hogged? G's, right? The bathroom in spite of my emergency situation. Next, my mom scorched my favorite shirt with the hot iron. Then the bus honked. Before I my breakfast, I frantically out the door, but the bus took off without me. Exercise 4, write the 7 present tense helping verbs, the 5 past tense helping verbs, and the 2 future tense helping verbs. So the present is am, what is, are. These are what we usually do in a box, right guys? Am is, are, not was. Was is the what? Has, have. What's the last 2? Do and does. Okay. Past tense. What are our 5 past tense ones? You said was. Was. Were. Had. What else? Did. And been. And then we have 2 future tense ones, and they are will and shall. And then, like I said before, you are going to do 5, 6, and 7 for homework. Okay?